Processing Center provides products for aerospace, automotive, high-speed rail, and also advanced home improvement. ShengXin CNC processing ranges from milling, drilling, precise cutting, and also punching. This is our most advanced CNC processing center. In this machine, we can produce 6.5 meters long aluminum profiles. The ones could be 500 to 600 millimeters. The aluminum profiles produced by this machine could be used for aircrafts, high-speed train, and helicopters. ShengXin aluminum provides you T-slot aluminum profiles. T-slot aluminum is widely used for modular assembly industry. We have all dimensions such as 30-30, 40-40, 40-80, and so on.